Hey guys, I'm really excited to be sharing with you some really cool ways for you to make money online. You can make over $900 just by listening to music online. It's so easy and anyone can do it, even if you're a beginner with no experience. And all you need is a computer or smartphone. To get started, go to SoundCloud.com. You can either use the website or download the SoundCloud app from Google Play or the App Store. Once you're on the website or app, you'll see some trending songs that the website suggests for you. All you have to do is listen to these songs, and for every song you listen to, you can earn $6. So if you listen to 2 songs, you can earn $12, and if you listen to 4 songs, you can earn $24, and so on. There's no limit to how many times you can do this, so you can earn as much as you want. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. On this channel, I help everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools. I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, which is why I'm passionate about sharing these methods to help you earn passive income and gain financial freedom. Make sure you like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos on how to make money online. I'm always sharing new strategies and tools to help you succeed. Now, let's dive into a great way for you to start making money online by simply listening to music. Yes, you heard that right. This amazing opportunity is through a website called Rev.com. With over 700,000 users, Rev.com is 100% legit and offers various jobs like making English closed captions and translating subtitles. To start, you need to create an account on SoundCloud by clicking on Create an Account and sign up using your Facebook or Google account or by typing in your email address. It's so easy and quick, so you can start listening to music and earning money right away. When you log into the website, you'll see your dashboard which shows all the songs on the website. The songs are arranged in different categories and you can click on any song to start playing it. If you scroll down, you will see more related songs. Now that you're familiar with the SoundCloud, let's go to another website called MusicMatch.com. On this website, you can find the lyrics of any song you can imagine. Just click on Top Lyrics and search for a song you want. You can also type the name of any song in the search bar and the website will show you its lyrics. For example, let's say you found a song you like on SoundCloud. Copy the name of the song and paste it on MusicMatch.com to find its lyrics. It's that easy. On here, it's so simple, and you'll find here there are lyrics of any popular song. So let me explain to you how to make money by transcribing the lyrics of popular songs. People listen to songs on sites like SoundCloud and other platforms and write down the lyrics. They get paid for doing this work. You can also make money by transcribing songs into lyrics. There is a website that pays $1.50 per minute of transcribed songs. This means you can earn $4.50 for a 3-minute song or $9 for a 6-minute song. You can transcribe 10, 20 or even 30 songs a day to earn a vast amount of money. The good news is that you don't even have to do the transcribing work yourself. There are websites that can help you transcribe the songs into lyrics automatically without any cost to you. These websites are completely free, and you can create a free account and start making money by transcribing song lyrics. If you are interested in earning money by transcribing song lyrics, then I'm about to show you how to do just that. Many people listen to songs on various platforms such as SoundCloud and transcribe the lyrics into written form. They get paid for this work, and now you can too. The process is straightforward. straightforward. You listen to a song and write down the lyrics. But how do you find the songs to transcribe? Well, you can use a website that pays you for each minute of transcribed song. The website pays $1.50 per minute. So if you transcribe a 3-minute song, you'll earn $4.50. For a 6-minute song, you'll earn $9. Imagine transcribing 10, 20 or 30 songs per day. You can earn a significant amount of money without even leaving your home. Now, the good news is that you don't have to do all the transcribing work yourself. There are websites available that can help you transcribe songs into lyrics automatically. These websites are free to use and don't require any investment on your part. Now then, I'm going to show you how to create an account on one of these websites and start making money. It's important to note that all the websites I recommend are entirely free. So, if you're interested in earning money by transcribing song lyrics, then keep listening to the end of this video. If you speak multiple languages, you can make even more money per minute. You could potentially earn between $5 to $12 for just 1 minute of work. Because I know that not all of you speak more than language, in this video I will just focus on audio transcription, which is just going to do what we've seen before. Now, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on a button that says Become a Freelancer. This will take you to a registration page where you can create an account and start browsing available jobs and earn money from anywhere at any time. One of the benefits of freelancing is that you can choose how much or how little you want to work. You can take on as many or as few jobs as you want and set your own schedule. This means you can work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. The website has hundreds of jobs available, so you will never run out of opportunities to earn money. You'll get paid weekly through your PayPal account, which is a popular online payment platform. If you want to learn more about freelancing, you can scroll down and click on Learn More. If you want to learn more about freelancing, you can scroll down and click on Learn More in the transcription category. This will provide you with more information about freelancing and how to get started. If you have any problems signing up or using the website, you can leave a comment below and someone will be happy to help you. I'm also going to introduce you to another website that is similar to the one we discussed previously. The website is called GoTranscript.com, and it's such a great way to earn money by transcribing music into lyrics. Doubling your sources of income is always a good idea, and it's not wise to rely on just one website alone. Before signing up to GoTranscript.com, it's a good idea to get familiar with the website first. Scroll down the homepage to read more about the site and check out their prices to see how much you can earn. Once you're ready to sign up, click on the Work tab at the bottom of the page. You'll see that the jobs are available worldwide and you can earn up to 60 cents per minute, which means you can make up to $3 for a 5-minute song. You can also expect to earn anywhere between $150 to $1,215 per month from this website alone. To sign up, click on the Apply Now button, select your preferred language and choose one of the sign up options. You can use your Gmail account or Facebook account to sign up and then follow the steps to complete your registration. Now, here comes the final step. I'm going to show you how to make lyrics automatically using GoTranscribe.com. First, create an account by clicking on the Create Account button. Then fill up your information and hit Register. Verify your email and then go back to your dashboard and click on Upload. Double click on the area to upload your song and the website will automatically transcribe the lyric for you. However, please note that while automatic transcription websites like GoTranscribe.com are convenient, they may not always be accurate, so it's always best to double check the lyrics for any mistake. I would recommend you type the lyrics by yourself so that it will be 100% accurate. It may take you some time, but it's better to do so. Now then, don't expect to be rich from these websites. You're not going to make hundreds and thousands of dollars just by typing words on these websites. Let's be real, but don't worry, you can still make some really good money just by using these websites to make money and gain some great experience. It's important to gain experience because there's a lot of competition on big websites like Fiverr and Up. So use today's websites to gain some experience and later on offer your services on bigger platforms to make so much more money. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let me know what you're doing in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one where I'll be sharing more hot strategies to help you make money online. That's it for now. Bye for now.